What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, please, guys, smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back with a few things with DWP, Digital Wealth Pros. I want to give you guys an update, number one. Number two, I want to show you some more results that I've gotten with the program. Okay, then we're going to talk about it for a minute. All right, so let's get right into it. Okay, this program, Digital Wealth Pros, okay, it's been around for a little bit, for some months now. I'm not sure if it's been quite a year yet, but it's been around a while. The system is 95% automated. Okay, it's digital products that teaches you how to make money online. They have 3 product levels right now. The $200 level is $297. The $400 level is $497, and then they have the $800, okay, which is $997. You're paid $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and $800 commissions instantly. Okay, any way you want, directly to your bank account or however you want to receive your payments. Now, what everybody loves about this system is it has a call center that takes all the calls, so you never have to worry about answering questions, receiving calls from people, any of that. Your only job is to market the program. Okay, market. Okay, and then when people go to your page, okay, that's coded to you, they're going to see the 800 number. They're going to make the call. The call center is going to close the sales. They're going to handle that whole sales process. They're going to give the caller's going to give your ID so that you get credit, and they're going to sign the person up and send them your information so that they can pay you. Okay, so that's a big challenge for a lot of people that don't like to talk to people, or just a busy person that say, hey, I don't have time to take calls. I don't, any of that. Okay, so this is perfect. So no talking to anyone, guys. The call center is going to handle all that for you, and you're able to make these commissions. Okay, 200, 400, 800. Now, they're going to be coming out with a new level, the $1,500 commission level. And this is one-time investment with this program. There's no monthly fees. Okay, the new level is going to be $1,997. You're going to be all in. Okay, you're going to be able to receive $200, $400, $800, and $1,500 commissions. Okay, but they've got this special promo going on right now, where if you come in at this $800 level, $997, you're going to be awarded a free upgrade to that new 4th level. Okay, if you're already there at level 3, no worries, it's going to be automatic. Like, I'm already there, so it's going to be automatic for me. But folks that's looking at this opportunity, this is going to save you $1,000, guys. It's going to save you $1,000, because if you go all in right now for $997, you don't have to pay the $1997 later. Okay, so it saves you $1,000. All right, now let's talk about the update that I want to give you guys. The free upgrade. Okay, like it says here, this is the new update. See, the date changed. It was 9/30. Okay, so what they've done now is they've moved it to October 15th. So that gives you guys a little bit more time. See, enroll as level 3 platinum member by October 15th, and you'll be upgraded to the new $1997 level 4 product on October 16th at no cost. Okay, don't wait. The sooner you enroll, the more days you have to offer this amazing free upgrade to your prospects and earn $800 over and over again. Okay, so that is the new update. They sent us an email I believe it was yesterday. Okay, so they've moved it out because they have gotten a lot of people that's interested in this. Okay, so that gives everybody a little bit more time to get your funds together if you're interested, because again, remember, you're only going to need to pay $997 to get this level, but you must do it now before October 15th. So that's great. All right, so now let me show you guys, I've received another commission. Okay, another $800 has come in since we've put this out here. People are looking, people are interested. And the gentleman I spoke to after he got signed up and we discussed it, he was like, there's no way I could let that slide because it was such a great deal. So let me show you proof of the $800 commission I received. Okay, all right, so hang on. The link is in the description, by the way. Don't miss this, guys. Go check this out. Look at the funnel, see how it's all set up, and get started. Let me know if you have any questions. But meanwhile, let's check this out real quick. Okay, for privacy protection, I've covered up the person's name. But if you look right here, it says September 28th, right? You see right here, what he did is he wanted to test to make sure I was going to receive the payment. So he sent $1 first, then he sent the $7.99. Okay, so that's $800 in one day with this system. Now I'm going to show you how we get notified too. So check this out. Okay, let me show you the email that we receive. Okay, when the call center, okay, this system works. This is what I'm proving to you guys. I'm showing you. When the call center is talking to your lead, you get an email. We're talking to your lead. Okay, see right here, that's the same day I received the payment, right? The 28th. Okay, you're getting closer. We are sending you this alert to let you know that one of your leads is on the phone with one of our call center agents right now. So you get that one first, right? Then the next one you get when the person's going to sign up. Let me show you that email. Okay. Okay. Then you get another email that says you have just had a new team member to sign up under you. Okay. Same day, right? I had another person too that they were talking to. But see right here, it tells you that, then it lists their name, phone number, and email. And again, I'm covering it up for privacy protection. So the system does work. The sales team will notify you that they're talking to your lead. Then if the person signs up, they will send you another email. Okay, so this system does work, guys. So if you're ready to start receiving $200 commissions, $400 commissions, $800 commissions, and the new level that will include $1,500 commissions, this is the system you want to check out. Call center will close all your sales. I just showed you guys how they will notify you. And then, of course, you get notified from the payment processor that you have money coming to your account. All right, guys, so this thing does work. 95% automated. The other 5% is you promoting the opportunity. Okay, and we show you how to do that. And again, everybody that signs up with me, I am going to run your first traffic campaign. Okay, the person that just signed up with me, their traffic is going to be running today or tomorrow. Okay, so we'll have that set up within the next 48 hours once you get started. All right, so go check this thing out. They've extended it, so you've got a little bit more time, okay, to get your funds together if you're interested, okay, in coming in at level 3 for $997 one time, no monthly fees with this program. Okay, they show you here as of October 1st, the new level is going to be live. Okay, so if you come down the pike later on, you know, the 17th, 18th, or whenever you decide to come in, just know it's going to be $1997. All right, guys, so great way to earn these $800 commissions too. Okay, as I just showed you, I made $800 in one day with this program, and I can show you some of the resources that I'm using. Okay, I never had to get involved with this process. Matter of fact, I was out running errands and I received the emails, came across my phone. Okay, and then next thing I knew, hey, the payment came in. Okay, so this thing will run on autopilot once you set it up, once you start cranking out the traffic to the capture pages. Okay, the link is in the description for the third-party system that I'm using. This is the one right here. As you can see, it's got the 800 number there. It's got your ID. I like this one because it has the 3 videos that actually explain the program very, very well, and the back office. Okay, so if you're ready to get started, guys, call the call center. They're waiting on you. My person told me it took about 30 minutes, and they called them back. Okay, so they are on this thing. Okay, they're waiting to take your call. So call them, 800-232-2109. Give them my ID, 442-89634. If they don't answer, leave them a message with your full name and your number, and let them know you're ready to get signed up. They will call you back, and expect a call back from an 888 area code. Okay, be on the lookout for that. All right, guys, with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Look forward to working with you in Digital Wealth Pros, and you positioning yourself to make these commissions on autopilot, just like I did. I'm here to assist you guys. I'm accessible, so you'll be able to reach out to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's set up your marketing plan. Let's get you in the program. All right. With that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, guys? Be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.